In the previous video, we learnt about the challenges associated with the metaverse. In this video, we will take a look at what learning in the metaverse will look like and which country has started adapting this way of teaching. So, let's get started. Consider a classroom full of students as the history teacher delivers a lecture on the Harappa civilization, the Indian subcontinent's earliest non-urban culture. Instead of reading from a book, the teacher takes the students to Harappa in Punjab and Mohenjo-daro near the Indus River in Sindh. A timeline of events is projected in front of the students who walk around the sites, discovering, asking questions, and learning. In the metaverse, a virtual recreation of the natural world, this is how education will look in the future. Users and developers can personalize it by creating anything from a metaverse school to virtual sports arenas. Students and teacher can meet in the digital space using virtual reality headsets regardless of their physical location. The visual possibilities of a metaverse school follow. The teacher can talk about discoveries while also showing them to students in an immersive 3D environment. Using their lesson plans, educators can create virtual landscapes. Virtual reality in the schools can supplement traditional education model by allowing students to visit historical sites or conduct dangerous experiments in a safe virtual environment. Simulations can be used to teach students physics concepts, or they can be used to role play historical events. However, the actual communication between the teacher and the student take place in the real world during these lessons. The concept of using the metaverse to teach may appear futuristic, but some Indian startups have already begun to investigate the possibilities. 21K School, a Bangalore-based online-only school, recently announced the integration of Web3 technology to encourage students to be more creative. The school will use metaverse and blockchain technologies such as NFTs to assist students in learning and creating. The school, supported by entrepreneur Ronnie Screwvala, currently has 6,000 students from 54 countries and follows the K-12 education model. There was a time when 2D content was sufficient, but 3D immersive and practical content is now required. Teaching is also a way street in which both students and teacher participate. Metaverse is a step toward providing a more personalized and engaging experience for children, says Santosh Kumar, co-founder and CEO of 21K School, which opened in June 2020. The product is currently in beta testing and will be available to students by the end of the year. Students at 21K School will soon be able to create and sell their artwork, books, podcasts, music, and videos on the NFT marketplace at 21K School. They can earn reward points in the form of coins for all activities such as timely submission of assignments, assessments, and exam marks, which can be redeemed for scholarships and so on. This learn to earn model is truly unique in the world. Students can also invite their friends to join them on their gamified learning journey and help build the ecosystem. The Web 3.0 school is also launching a blockchain-based solution to identify mark sheets, students and teacher profiles and achievements. 21K School is also implementing gamification in the classrooms where students can complete their homework and assignment in a gamified manner facilitated by the digital school's artificial intelligence enabled learning management system. This will not only increase student engagement but will also encourage them to complete their assignment task flawlessly. 21K School will also reward view on their class videos, assessment scores, and student feedback. while parents can earn points for their involvement in their child's educational journey, all in the form of 21k coins. Another startup, Invect Metaversity, recently attracted attention before even launching its first batch. Tanay Pratap, 21, left Microsoft in 2021 to co-found Invect Metaversity with Manish Maheshwari, former head of Twitter India. Maheshwari left the company in May due to a difference in a vision between the two co-founders as well as the inability to find a buyer. The company cancelled its initial batch and laid off approximately 20 employees, though some have since been retained. Whatever happened is in the past. Invect 1.0 was the first version. We are now working on Invect 2.0, which will include major revisions with the goal of further perfecting the platform, says Pratap, who has 8 years of teaching experience. Previously, the platform planned to offer a 60-week Meta MBA designed to improve its students' employability and provide an affordable university-like space in the metaverse. The cost was Rs 2 lakh per student. We will no longer refer to it as an MBA. We will come up with a new name, Pratap says. The course and the metaverse learning medium, on the other hand, will largely remain unchanged. There will be price changing because we want to make the course more accessible. Metaversity is not our distinguishing feature. This is not for sale. These are simply mediums. You don't charge anything for the medium. You make a fee for education. The startup is developing a product that will be available to everyone. A lighter version, for example, will allow people who do not have higher internet bandwidth to participate in video calls. This less than a year-old startup raised $5 million in February at a $33 million valuation from global investment firms, including Arkham Ventures, Antler India, Picus Capital, M Venture Partners, BECO Capital, and 2AM VC. The country is not yet fully prepared to adapt to a metaverse model. However, steps must be taken, according to Manav Subodh, co-founder of 1M1B, 1 million for 1 billion, an UN accredited non-profit organization that is a social innovation and social skills initiative aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Subodh, who has been involved in developing the metaverse for education in India, claims that the metaverse and its application in education will be largest in India in the next 5 to 10 years. According to him, the metaverse in education can solve a variety of problems such as lack of infrastructure, teacher shortages, access and inclusion issues, and students dropping out of the formal education system. For me, metaverse in education must include skilling because we have to ensure that we are imparting education that is relevant to the industry, relevant for jobs. Subodh adds. There are some drawbacks to studying in the metaverse. For example, how to include students with disabilities such as hearing or vision impairment. Experts also believe that metaverse addiction is a real risk for both children and adults. In order for metaverse education to become mainstream and successful, families must be able to obtain virtual reality headsets more easily. Furthermore, face-to-face learning cannot be replaced, says Subodh. It's something the kids missed out on during the lockdown. Alternative education will be provided by the metaverse and online education. There has to be a healthy balance, Subodh says. Technology has the potential to solve many problems, but it is only a delivery medium, according to Pratap of Invect Metaversity. We shouldn't have hyped it up so much. Overhype work against technology. That's what happened with AI. Many times over in many time cycles. You believe it will solve all your problems, but it will not, because people not technology, solve problems. Technology is just a medium. Questions. How can virtual reality in schools supplement traditional education model? Where is the 21K school situated in India? Who is supporting the 21K school? How many students are there in the school and from how many countries? How does the learn to earn model works in 21K school? Who were the two co-founders of the Invect Metaversity? What problems can be solved with the metaverse? What are some of the drawbacks of metaverse? Who solve problems, people or technology? I will wait for your answers in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my efforts. Good luck and stay safe.